If you can master this strategy, you can start making so much more money on the Forex market. And to master this strategy, do not skip through the video. I repeat, do not skip through this video. Practice makes perfect. What I will be covering in this course is what is support resistance, explain our strategy, and showing you guys examples on the chart so you can go back and make some money using this easy Forex strategy. First off, we need to understand what is support and resistance. Even though some of you guys know it, I just need to explain it. This is not the strategy, but we need to first understand some sort of support resistance. And this is going to be a little bit part of the strategy, okay? So firstly, support and resistance are literally turning points in the market where market either buys off or sells off. Support can be broken and turn into resistance, and the resistance can be broken to turn into support. So what is support? For instance, wherever price is anything below it is going to be your support. Anything above it is your resistance. So when market comes to the resistance, we can sell, we can sell. When market comes to support, we can buy, we can buy. Now, I did tell you support can be broken. So if market breaks the support, that is now above price. So that is your resistance. If price doesn't break it, but rather go break the resistance, that is no more resistance. It becomes a support because we can buy off that now to continue going higher. Now over to the strategy. Very importantly, very important. This works on any market, Nasdaq, US30, gold, currencies, you name it, it works on it. Okay, so the first step is to always start on the daily time frame. Try to find two turning points where the market tends to support and resistance and draw a horizontal line on it exactly. So for example, if I'm going to now do this one, I'll find, okay, you know what, let me show you what I'm talking about, right? We can see right over here the market stops there, right, and the market stops right over there. That two levels, right? What I'm going to do is now take note, use a horizontal line like that, lock it in, and draw another one right on top where it stops there, lock it in, and then calculate how much pips is that, like that, and use the exact same thing for the next prediction where the next level will be. That will be the next level right over there. Lock that in, and if you want to put one on top like that, you can do as many as possible. Do as many as possible now, like this, once you found the two spots, and go all the way as much as possible. Okay, I spotted all my levels on the market. I'm going to explain this much more in detail for you guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is an example. This is when we're going to go now deeper into the examples onto how to use this, onto how you can onto how you can use the strategy. I'm not going to cut that out. So with that being said, guys, you can see that the market literally simply respects this level, break below, tests behind there, and sells off there. You can see how the market stops exactly at the level, and understand it. It's the same calculation of this one right over here. Look there. Look where the market stops, exactly where it then. Then it breaks below, tests it, and sells off. Kind of stops there, retests, sells off again, comes back, all the way back below, tests it and sell off again there. This is the exact same calculation right there. You can see the market breaks below, right? And if I show you where this market stops, I need you to look at this. Look at this. The market stops exactly right, the same calculation, and come back to test it and sells off again. Look at this. Again, this happened today. This is Euro USD. Guys, this is Euro USD. This happened this week actually. So you can see that what happened is market spiked down, right, sells off, comes back to test a level. All you do is sell off again. Now, if you don't believe me, we can do another example of this, right? Check here. Here we see the exact same calculations. These are all the same calculations. You can see the market breaks above, tested that level right over there. That's when you're supposed to press your buy over there, targeting the next level, right? Take profit smashed. If you don't believe, you can see how the market spikes all the way till there, right? Go back all the way into, look here, 2018. This is 2018. You can see how market breaks below, tests its levels, and sells off back there, right? Break below, tests and sells off. You can see market break below, test and sells off. It works so many times, guys. So what I'm trying to say is that you can literally do this over and over and over. If I can show you another example, we can do one right now off the bat if you would like to. Let's do Euro AD, for example. Oh, no, let's do something famous. NASDAQ, okay? We'll do NASDAQ. Step by step. What I'm going to do is find two interest points, just two. I see one right over there, lock that in, and I see one right over there. Okay, so where the market stops here and the market stops there, I'm going to find that two and I'll calculate the length of it. Right, let's calculate the length of it from there to there. All right, once that is done, put it down. And then that's, man, look at this. Look at this. Bam, exactly to where this equal. Okay, if maybe that's a coincidence, let's put it here. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Maybe that's a coincidence, you know, maybe that's a coincidence. It's a coincidence, man. Maybe it's a coincidence. I don't know. You think for yourself. You can think for yourself. Look at this level. Beautiful. Look here. Beautifully lined up. Beautifully lined up. Come on, man. It's no coincidence. We can take the exact same level, put it here, right? And then line another one up for us and see if it's in line up. Check here. I'm very much guaranteed that this is a level up. It's a level, guys. It's a level. Come on, man. So again, what I will do now is simply use this as my support resistance. If you don't know how to, I can go more deep in this. This can be used on a lower time frame as well. Let's do another example on a lower time frame with the same methodology, as easy as this. So this will be the last but not least of the strategy on a lower time frame. So what I did is on US30, on a 4-hour time frame, I spotted two turning points in the market where I find interest. One, anyway, anyway you feel like I see this two nice interest, and all I'm going to do is simply spot them on beautifully like that. As soon as market breaks above like this, let's go back here. You can see there we have a nice area. And as soon as market breaks above, I know exactly where more or less the market's going to go towards, right? So just calculating this to there, I know, okay, this is where the market's going to head towards right now. And if it breaks below here, I know exactly where this is going to go to. It's going to go towards here. Look how nice this just lines up, man. So amazing, right? Now, what I'm going to do is let it play out. Market breaks above. What do you mean? Now, you need to wait for retest and then buy higher. That's what you're waiting for now, right? So you can see wait, market test right over there. That's where you buy. And patience, look at it, retest, beautiful retest right over here. If I just simply place a buy there, right? Wherever you put your stops, and you take profit all the way to wherever it is, right to there. Basically it needs to be to that level or a little higher to the next one. And if it does break above here, right, we know, okay, calculating this towards here, that's going to be the next level, which will be more or less there. And I can spot them all on before the time. So let's see what happens. Market breaks, comes back lower, patience, and there we go, back above waters. And now, waiting for retest, or it continues all the way out. And if it does, I know more or less where it's going to continue to is that level right there. So patiently waiting. There we go, retest. This is where you're looking for buys, all right? And then you simply wait. There we go, above, beautifully. Look how it stalls at this area. Guys, it's proven by now that this thing works. It's so easy. All you got to do is spot two levels on, calculate it, and use that to predict the next levels. And then from there, you can wait for the break, retest, buy, break, retest, sell. That's all you got to do. As now, nothing much, but literally wait for that now. So now look at that, market breaks beautifully above. You want to know this is going to continue buying. And if you look at where it stops, look exactly where it stops, guys. exactly where it stops. I'm going to calculate this here. I know that's where the market's going to probably stop, more or less, and then we'll see what happens from there. Look at that. Market breaks. And if it like this, I thought it's going to go higher, fine. Now I just know the market's going to continue selling from here. I just look for the retests. We're going to sell right here. If it's going to be here, I'll be looking for some sort of sell, whatever it is. There we go. Beautiful. And now looking for retest to continue selling. There we go. Beautiful. Wait for a retest to continue selling. Beautiful, man, guys. Come on, man. And if market breaks above retest, it needs to continue buying, right? Look at this. Beautiful. Guys, these levels are such in respect. Look at this way the market just stops. Guys, I hope you're not sleeping on this. I really hope you're not sleeping on this. All you got to do, guys, all I ask of you, guys, respect this level. It's so beautiful. Okay, the next level it's going to probably go to, if I calculate again the same area towards there, right? That's where the next level should be. If it goes back above, it's going to go to that level. So we know more or less. Oh my gosh, look at this retest, man. This is so sweet. Like, look at this retest. Look at that. Retest, bam, down. You know how much pips is that? Do you know how much pips is this? Over 10,000. With that being said, guys, like this video, subscribe, and comment down below if you want more videos like this. And I'm going to drop some for you guys if you like, and comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Cheers, guys.